Learn to lace your corset using a doorknob. Locate the label at the back of the corset to ensure you're putting the corset on right side up. To begin, ensure the corset is unlaced all the way so that it is nice and loose when you put the corset around your body. Cross the front busk over like a letter X and close the second clasp from the bottom. Hold the busk at the top on both sides and gently bend the hook side of the busk outwards. Then overlap the hooks over the studs and pull towards your body. Make sure the busk is completely closed before lacing the corset. Also, it's important to make sure the busk hooks are lined with the center front of your body. Next, reach your hand inside the corset and pull your abdomen up while pushing the busk down. This will ensure that the corset will lace nice and evenly against your body. This adjustment is only necessary for longer corsets that sit further down closer to the pubic bone. Now you are ready to lace your corset. Locate the pull loops at the middle back of the corset and pull outwards. Then find a sturdy doorknob and attach each of the loops on either side of the doorknob. Once your laces are attached, you can begin slowly walking forward, placing tension on the corset laces, which will then begin to lace the corset. Once your initial cinch is accomplished, begin by pulling on the bottom of the waist loops. This will pull the laces up from the bottom of the corset and will bring your tummy upwards and inwards. Keep walking away from the door to maintain tension on the laces while you lace down. Next, pull the top waist loops to reduce the upper part of the corset. Continue to adjust the laces until you have an even lace on the back of the corset. Make sure to bring all of the excess lace back to the waist loops. Once the corset is comfortably and evenly laced, finish up with a corsetiere's knot. Wrap the corset laces around each other 3 times and bring them to the front. Then tuck it under the busk. This creates a nice accent of your laces. Alternatively, you can do a traditional bow in the back and tuck the excess laces underneath the back of the corset. Now your corset is fully laced and you're ready to go out and show the world how beautiful you are. The corset that Melanie is wearing in this video is our classic Edwardian corset in white cotton with white satin laces. This corset is available in sizes 18 to 32. If you'd like to know how to find out what your corset size is or have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us. If you'd also like to see how to remove the corset, make sure to stick around to the end of the video. Removing the corset. First, you'll start by loosening the laces. Slowly work the laces through the corset to ensure that it's nice and loose. Make sure to take time and to be patient when unlacing your corset. It is important to fully unlace the corset. Otherwise, if you take the corset off when it is too tight, it can damage the front busk of the corset. Once you've loosened the corset enough, you can also pull on the backbones of the corset to open it up even further. Unlacing the corset fully will also make it easier to put the corset on again in the future. Make sure to keep your corset tucked away somewhere safe, away from any excess heat, moisture, or sunlight. To store the corset, close the front busk and roll the corset back in on itself. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more tutorials from us, please make sure to like, comment, follow us, and visit our website at www.laceembrace.com.